to change payment method on Google Play Store. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how we can change payment method on Google Play Store. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to change the payment method on Google Play Store, just head over to the Playstore account. After that, simply log in into your account where you have purchased or added any kind of payment method where you want to change the payment method to. So after that, after you have successfully logged in into your payment method linked account, your Google Play account, head over to the account profile at the top right, and on the middle you'll be finding an option called payments and subscriptions. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, here you'll be finding a bunch of options. You're just going to look up for the option called payment method. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be finding add credit card or debit card. So if you already have added a credit card or debit card here, just simply click on it, and after clicking on it, you'll be finding your card that is linked here. So you're just going to simply tap on to remove it. After that, you can find this more payment settings. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, it will redirect you to another page where you can add a new payment method, for example. And here you'll be finding this add a payment method. Again, just tap on it, go on with adding payment methods, and basically that's how you change your payment method using Google Play Store. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.